Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Linear AI to create sprint-ready tasks from meeting notes, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Linear AI for creating sprint-ready tasks from meeting notes, start by gathering your meeting notes in a digital format. Ensure your notes are clear and concise, focusing on key action items and decisions made during the meeting. Access the Linear AI platform on your preferred device. Log in using your company credentials to access your workspace. Navigate to the project board where you want to create the sprint-ready tasks. Locate the existing meeting notes file or section within the workspace. Copy the relevant section of your meeting notes that contains actionable tasks. Next, look for the task creation or automation feature in Linear AI. Select the option to create a task, ensuring you have the proper permissions for task creation. Paste your copied meeting notes into the task description field. Break down complex tasks into simpler, more actionable items if necessary. Assign appropriate labels or tags to categorize the tasks effectively. Set due dates based on your sprint schedule to keep everything on track. Assign the tasks to the relevant team members responsible for their completion. Review the tasks for clarity and completeness before saving. Once satisfied, click the Save or Create Task button to finalize the entry. Repeat the process for any additional tasks noted from the meeting. After all tasks are created, check the project board to ensure everything appears correctly. Communicate with your team about the new tasks and their priorities. Encourage your team to review their assigned tasks regularly to ensure progress. Periodically return to your meeting notes to identify further tasks as needed. Keep your tasks updated in Linear AI as project requirements evolve. Utilizing this method will enhance your sprint planning and execution significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.